Hello pupils, how are you doing? This is a lesson about skills 8C about Hua Mulan. So we have to read this text. Later on we'll explain the new words. Reading and listening. 1. What do you know about Hua Mulan? What else would you like to know about her? Think of 3 questions. Have you ever seen Hua Mulan in movies? If not, listen and read the text. Can you answer the questions? So let's read the text, then later on try to find true, false, or doesn't say about the sentences. Hua Mulan was a warrior in ancient China. She was born in the 5th century. Mulan could fight with a sword and ride a horse very well. This was very unusual for women in ancient China. One year there was a war. The emperor asked Mulan's father to join the army, but he was too old and her brother was very young. Mulan's father was very sad. Mulan decided to dress as a man and take her father's place. Mulan was a brave person. She returned home 10 years later with a beautiful horse, the emperor's gift to the brave soldier. Her friends and the army didn't have any idea that Mulan was a woman. They only realized that when they visited her at her home. Mulan's story appeared in poems, stories, songs, paintings, and ballads. Nowadays, her statue welcomes visitors to her hometown, a small village in Henan province. 2 stone tablets tell Mulan's story. So this is all about this text. Listen to this video 2 or 3 times to better learn the text. Then later on, exercise 2. Read the text again and mark the sentences true, false, or doesn't say. Hua Mulan was from China. You have to put just the initial of the letter, the capital letter T, F, or DS. The second, she was born in 50th century. You have to look up in the text again. It is 5th, not 50th. Try to focus on the words, on the meaning of the words. She could fight with a sword. She could fight, with a sword. She could fight with a sword, yes. 4. She didn't have a mother. 5. Hua Mulan was very brave. 6. Other soldiers couldn't tell that she was a woman. 7. There are a lot of films about her in China. 8. No one remembers her in her hometown. So these are the sentences which you have to put, as we said, true, false, or doesn't say. Now let's go on. Let's read just the exercise 3, and later on you have to finish it. Match the words in the 2 columns. So we have 1 column in the left and 1 in the right. Use the phrases to write a summary of the text. So the phrases which are in these 2 columns, we have to use them and write a short summary of the text by having a look again to the text and focusing on the main points, just the main points. Then read it to the class. So you have to present it and read it out loud to the class. So now you can just send it as an audio or video in WhatsApp in our group. So the example in here is Hua Mulan was a warrior in ancient China. She could fight with a sword, etc. etc. So the first one is made, it's a sword. And then later on she could ride a horse, she could join the army, she decided to dress like that. You have to do it. I am not going on anymore, just explain in Albania the new words so that are marked in here. Check this word. Warrior is luftutar. Ancient, antique. Fight, luftoi. Sword, shpatë. Emperor, perandor. Join the army. Futëm në ushtri. Dress, vishem. Pra si folje, themi vishem. Dërsa si emër është fustan. Brave, trim, ose i zoti. Në të rast, trime. Gift, dhuratë. Soldier, ushtar. Realize, kuptoj. Appear, shfaqet. Del. Ballad, ballade. Statue, statuje. Hometown, pra hometown, vend lindje më të ndryshe. The stone tablet tipuri. Okay, thank you pupils. That's all about today. See you next lesson.